Hello, my name is Nick Swan and I'm the co-founder of Lightning Tools. Many thanks for filling out the 2011 Big SharePoint survey that we put out in our newsletter. As you expressed an interest in finding out more about our products, we thought this quick 2-minute video would be a great intro into what else we do. The first product I wanted to talk about was MetaMan. If you've got data existing in SQL Server, Oracle, ODBC, or even available through web services that you want to make available and reuse in SharePoint, the Business Data Catalog or Business Connectivity Services is a great way to integrate those data sources. Now you could spend a day or even perhaps a week trying to configure the BDC and BCS, but with our MetaMan tools you can configure it and get it up and running within 5 minutes. Our second tool is a security and user management tool. Now if you're familiar with SharePoint, you may well have a couple of web apps set up, and within these web applications you'll have multiple site collections that have multiple sites, that have multiple libraries and documents and tasks in all of these different places. It's really difficult within SharePoint to find out who has particular permissions to a particular item and also get a report across SharePoint of where users have permissions. With our security and user management tool, DeliverPoint, it will be able to report across web applications, report on individual items within SharePoint, and also let you configure users and transfer, copy and create new permissions really easily within SharePoint. The third product is our enterprise discussion forums. So the out-of-the-box discussion lists within SharePoint aren't particularly useful. They're missing lots of things that users are familiar to using out on internet forums, such as being able to make topics sticky, being able to rate them, tag them, all those kinds of functionalities. With our enterprise discussion forums called Social Squared, we have a familiar user interface. So this is the user interface that people are used to using out on the web. Our enterprise discussion forums will help engage users. So these will keep users coming back to your SharePoint sites, it will help with SharePoint adoption, really powerful stuff. Using a good discussion tool will help share information amongst your colleagues and within your environment. It will help reduce email, so rather than having lots of information in your company locked away in inboxes, you can get it into a discussion forum and share it amongst people so they can find it when they really need it. And also finally, it's a great way to promote ideas and innovation within your company. The final category of products I wanted to mention are our roll-up web parts. So pretty similar to how we discussed the permissions. Within a web application you can have multiple site collections that each have different subsites in, and these can layer down many levels. If you've got tasks or documents across all these different subsites and site collections, you don't want to have to navigate to each individual place to find out what your overall view of tasks are. With the roll-up web parts, the Lightning Conductor web part, it will roll up documents, list items, calendar items, tasks, any SharePoint item basically, across web applications in SharePoint 2010 and also across site collections and across standard sites. If you'd like any more information about our products, please email contact@lightningtools.com. Thank you.